So what happens to number of significant figures when we are doing addition and subtraction? See, that is the thing, that is the idea of behind this class. When we are doing addition and subtraction, we do not look at significant figures at all. They can take on any which value that they want, but we only look at the number of decimal places. Okay, so here is the first example. Here we are just adding two quantities, and the final answer, of course, you would have guessed is 4. Okay, and the thing here is that when we are determining the number of digits, or how to write the final answer, when we are determining this, we, in the case of addition and subtraction, we only look at the number of decimal places in the operand. The final result takes on the same number of decimal places as the operand with least number of decimal places. So in this problem, my first operand, it has 4 decimal places. The second operand also has 4 decimal places. So my final answer would take on 4 decimal places. If you look at the significant figures, what has happened there? If you want to look at this, let's just do this. So this has 5 significant figures. This operand right here, it has 1 significant figure, but my final answer, it has 5 significant figures. So even though one of my operand had 1 significant figure, my final answer, I am still allowed to keep 5 significant figures, because in addition and subtraction, we do not worry about the significant figures at all. We only look at the number of decimal places in the operand to determine the number of decimal places in the final results. Here is another example. So if I do this subtraction, my final answer, I am allowed to keep 3 digits after the decimal point, because both of my operands, they have 3 digits after the decimal point. So this has 3 and this also has 3 digits after the decimal point. So my final answer would have 3 digits after my decimal point. Now what happens to the number of significant figures? This had 4 significant figures, this had 3 significant figures, but my final answer had only 1 significant figure. So no matter what the significant figures might come what they may, we do not look at those at all in addition and subtraction. We only look at significant figures in the case of multiplication and division. So hopefully this thing is very, very clear. Practice some more problems so that this concept gets ingrained in your mind and you are not confused about this anymore. Thank you.